What is up, traders? Today I'm going to give you a curve Dow price prediction. Actually, not so much a price prediction, but really the levels that I'm looking at and how I am trading this. I actually opened a short trade on this a couple of moments ago, and what I'm expecting to see and the different scenarios that could play out. But let's zoom out and see what's been happening on the chart. As you can see from the 22nd of November, Tuesday, a week ago, we had a very, very large move to the upside from 40 cents all the way up to 75 cents. And you could call that actually a short squeeze. And the reason I have had my attention brought to this video is because of one of my subscribers. I did a video on Bitcoin on a trade that I took a swing failure pattern yesterday. BC, shout out to you, brother. This is for you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for always commenting and liking. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure you like the video, you subscribe if you like the content, and check out my Twitter page. I often trade and give a lot of analysis on my Twitter page. Just check out Bitcoin Growth Method, Czar Trader Guy. Incidentally, tomorrow night on the BYBIT English Telegram group, I will be doing technical analysis with Jordan Crypt SA. He is the BYBIT South Africa ambassador. So check that out. Links in my Twitter channel and also in the description. So you can see right now between the monthly and the weekly is our current range. Let's zoom into the 30-minute time frame just to see here. You can see we had kind of a symmetrical triangle, call it a pennant that we were trading in, or a flag. And a lot of people will see this or would have seen this as a bull flag. So guys would be probably longing right at this upper trend line trying to get the breakout. But something that I saw here, if I take my Fibonacci, I drew it from the top of that move to the bottom of this move here, and you can see we've got a fib golden pocket right there. So my entry was very close to that. You can see 67 cents 60 is where the retracement was, and as I said to you, I took a short trade and I entered at 67.30. Current price 66. Yeah, it's not 66.2 at the moment, 66.5. So what am I looking at with this coin? You can see at the moment on the 30-minute time frame, we've actually bounced on VWAP right there. And VWAP will act as a support most definitely. But let's look at some other factors right here. You can see if I draw a fixed range from within that range, let's actually broaden that slightly more. If we draw a fixed range, we actually rejected at the value area high, and that VWAP coincides with the range POC, or the point of control. So there'll be a lot of volume that is transacted there. So I'm expecting this to be quite a nice support. But if we break the support, here is what I'm looking at. I would like to see price come down, wick below there, retest, possibly fake out above these two levels right here. And I would like it to see, like price to see it, or like price, I'm getting tongue twisted, my apologies. I'd like to see price come down to that weekly level. And if that holds as support, possibly I'll take profit there, because it is also very close to that range value area low. Very, very important. If we lose this range value area low, the areas that I'll be looking at is that daily at around 60 cents. And if I go down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see here, we literally have a very, very big candle up. So my expectancy is that there'll be single prints in this area, and we'll look at the TPO chart as well, that there'll be a very quick run down to that value area right there. So you can see this is a major support area. If I go to the weekly time frame, there's my weekly support, but on the daily and the 4-hour, yeah, there's quite a lot of support there. So I expect if price gets to this point that it's going to struggle to get through. The other reason that I took this short trade is because I saw CVD bearish CVD basically. So here you can see the CVD making a higher high, but price is making a lower high. Let me show you what it looks like on Coinalyze because you can actually visualize it a lot better. Right here, you can see all the way from this point. CVD was making a higher high, but price was actually making a lower high right there. And what I was interested in is on the smaller time frame. If you look at the way that CVD made a higher high at this point and a lower high from there, definite bearish CVD divergence, and you can see that that is playing out at the moment. So looking at the order flow, you can see that this is a delta view, and it will show me where the most delta is. So here you can see a lot of longs coming into that 67 cents area, and possibly they are trapped now. So you can see that we've had a very big volume candle on the last half hour candle, 772,000 versus 255, 305. You can definitely see a lot more volume coming in there, and very nice negative delta. So I'd like to see price action continue, but let's look at the TPO chart to see where we can see some value areas. And you can see right now price has lost that daily POC, and hopefully we'll move down to the 65 cents area to the value area low of the day. Previous day value area low, POC and value area high in that region of 63 to 64 cents. Let's see if we've got any. Yeah, we've got a naked POC there at 62 cents. That's going to be a very important area of liquidity should we lose that 65 cents area. So 61.90, I'm going to mark that as a POC on or naked POC on my chart. So 61.90, right click there, and let's mark it as an NPOC. So that is my technical analysis for CRV DAO. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you are in a short trade, those are the levels to look at, the possible take profits. And I'm going to look actually to that NPOC to take profits. Of course, the way that I like to trade, I like to put my stops in profit. So I'll probably put my stops around about that 67 cents area, maybe just above that value area high. So smash the like button if you like this video. Give me a subscribe if you're new to the channel. Comment below. Let me know if you have been trading this, if you're holding this. I personally am only trading USDT, certain altcoins to gain USDT so that I can buy more Bitcoin. My main trades are on the Bitcoin chart at the moment, and I can see I've been stopped out of my Bitcoin long in profit. So I'm going to go and trade this. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you soon.